Understanding heat seal in English. Hello, dear learners. In today's video, we are going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase heat seal. By the end of this video, you'll be able to understand and use this term with confidence. Heat seal is a combination of two words, heat and seal. Let's understand them individually. Heat. This refers to the process of making something hot or warm. Seal. This means to close something securely. So, when combined, the term refers to a method where heat is applied to securely close or join something. Heat seal is commonly used in packaging and manufacturing industries. Here are some practical scenarios. 1. Food packaging. Many food items that you buy from stores come in packages that are heat sealed to ensure freshness. 2. Clothing labels. Some clothing tags are heat sealed onto the fabric, ensuring they don't easily come off. 3. Medical equipment. Items that need to remain sterile, like medical tools, are often packaged in heat-sealed bags. The heat sealing process typically involves two main components. 1. Sealing instrument. This is a tool or machine that applies heat. 2. Sealant material. This is often a type of plastic or adhesive that melts when heated and then cools down to form a secure bond. When the sealing instrument is applied to the sealant material, the material melts. Once the heat is removed, the material cools and hardens, creating a tight and secure seal. And there you have it. Now you understand what heat seal means and its various applications. Language is a window into the world, and every term you learn adds a new perspective. We hope this video has been helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.